How many three-digit numbers can be formed from the numbers 3, 4, 7, and 8? Our answer here is 24. Now we are going to use the so-called fundamental counting principle. Ano po ba ito? Sa 3 digits ang pinag-uusapan, di ba? 3 digits. So, this is the first digit, this is the second digit, and this is the third digit. Okay? Sa first digit, apat ang pwedeng pagpipilian. 3, 4, 7, and 8. Ngayon, napili mo ng isa dyan. Assuming na napili mo si 8. So, ang second digit mo, ang pagpipilian mo na lang, tatlo. So, that would be 3, 4, and 7. Okay? Now, assuming, pinili mo 7. So, we have 8, we have 7. Kaya, for example, dito naman, ang choices mo, dalawa na lang. Pagpipilian mo lang yan, 3 and 4. So, in other words, we have 4 choices sa first digit, 3 choices doon sa second digit, and then 2 choices na lang sa third digit. So, ang gagawin lang natin doon is to multiply. 4 times 3 times 2 is equal to 24. That is our final answer.